This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the site Securtytrk.xyz. Securtytrk.xyz. First of all, I want to tell you in advance that this is a deceptive website that tries to trick you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. It is extremely dangerous to interact with this website. It also tries to trick you into clicking on this special Allow button. If you click on the Allow button, that's a mistake because you will start getting the great number of annoying advertisements that would be displayed in the right part of your computer screen. Also, the website tries to deceive you. It tells that your computer is horribly messed up by some malware, and it also tells you to download some cleaner to get your system fixed. But in reality, it is a mistake to interact with these pop-ups because they may point you to a lot of potentially unwanted programs that may damage your system. So do not ever install anything like that. In fact, the reason why these pop-ups attack your screen could be because of some adware already enabled in the system. First thing you could do, and you of course should do that, is to check the control panel. In case you find any programs you don't remember installing directly, you should uninstall them. Also, my strong recommendation is that you check the system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your system with its help. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.